All right, now shout out to Russell Whiskey. Shout out to Russell Whiskey with the Buy Me Coffee donation request. He actually got a 2 for 20. If I had to put both of these together, he said, recently I found your reactions on YouTube and I like the chill nature. Thanks. I like to see your reaction to Soul Coffin, Unmarked Helicopters, and Meat Puppets. Sam, whatever Meat Puppets mean, I don't know what that is. Well, that's what we're going to be jumping into for the next couple reactions. So this Unmarked Helicopters, I think, looks like a live performance in audio format. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this out, man, for the brother. Okay.
Songs that remember and random serpenting through fatty coils emerging. Some other thought is thinking this light shines above the houses on the ground. This illumination visited upon the whole land. Unmarked helicopters hovering up. The Lord is coming soon now.
I was about to say, I was thinking to myself, is this the 80s or the 90s? And it said this was performed in 1996, November 1996. All right, so this super live, like.
On the whole land, unmarked helicopters hovering up. The Lord is coming soon now. Here comes a supercopter, here comes the noise it makes. The demon wasn't ideal, the demon is awake. Well, scratch mark left upon the surface of your mind. Someone else's fingers rubbing up the deep in that head. Unmarked helicopters hovering up. The Lord is coming soon. Unmarked helicopters hovering up. They said it was a weather balloon. I know the truth.
Interesting. I'm gonna read a little bit of these lyrics real quick. But he said, whose song is that remembered at a random serpentine? Through phatic coils emerging, some other thought it was thinking. This light sounds above the houses on the ground. This illumination visited upon the whole land. Bruh, I don't know what that's talking about. The only imagery I'm getting is somebody looking for somebody.
Hovering up. They said it was a weather balloon. I know the truth. I know the whole shebang. I know the names of men they had to hang. I let her out the trunk. Heard what she said to them. They come to drag her through the double M. There goes black, 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 and blacker. There goes black, 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 and blacker. Yeah, it goes black, 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 and blacker. There goes black, 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 and blacker. Unmarked helicopters hovering up. Lord is coming soon. Unmarked helicopters hovering. They said it was a weather balloon. It was a weather balloon. It was a weather balloon. It was a weather balloon.
I don't even know what category to put this song in, honestly.
It was a weather balloon. Ladies and gentlemen, America's favorite teenager, Mr. Mark Deliantoni.
No, I don't even know where to put this at, man. I don't even know where to put this at, man. Let me see. Let me go to the wiki. Let me go to the wiki real quick. I don't know. I feel like, based on my music experience so far, I feel like this feels kind of progressive a little bit, but this could be more alternative. Let's say Soul Coffin is an American alternative rock band, composer, vocalist, guitarist Mike Doty. Say they developed a devout fan base that garnered legally positive responses from critics. Soul Coffin sound was willfully idiosyncratic mix of improv, jazz groove. Yeah, I can hear that. Eyeball samples, hip hop, electronics, the noisy experimentalism. Doty described the band's sound as deep slacker jazz, whatever that is. Deep slacker jazz. Let me look that up. Whatever that is. Say Deep Slacker Jazz is an album featuring improvisational jazz grooves. It's the same thing as wiki. That is interesting. One thing I can appreciate about music is that people have the courage to simply just put stuff together. Let's mix hip hop and electronic dance music together and see what we get. That's how it feels sometimes. But I had never heard of the band actually. So, all right. So with that being said, post your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to my brain. Shout out to Russell Whiskey with his Buy Me Coffee donation request. We're gonna go on to his next one from Meat Puppet. So be sure to click on the next video showing up on your screen. So with that being said, catch you guys at that one. Peace.